Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mass generate images effortlessly using Gemini Canvas. Believe it or not, all it takes is one single prompt to kickstart the entire process. As always, my workflow is simple. I'll be typing in my native language on the left, and you'll see the live English translation on the right. This method essentially gives you a powerful, high-volume image generator for free. We're talking about massive daily limits, anywhere from 400 to 500 images per day right here in this chat. Whether you're working on business projects, scaling your YouTube channel, or just exploring AI, this workflow is a game changer. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can easily follow along and replicate these results for your own projects. Thanks for tuning into the lab. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's dive straight into the process. Enjoy the watch.